Now, first things first, what exactly is affiliate marketing for anyone that's completely new to it? So affiliate marketing is simply the process of you promoting another company's service or product, and whenever you're able to successfully refer a brand new customer to them, you're going to be able to make a commission. So it's a very simple online business model. Your job is to only figure out exactly how to send traffic to your affiliate links, and then from there you're going to be able to sit back and make money. But the question now is, which type of affiliate marketing should you do? Should you focus on promoting physical products, or should you focus on promoting a digital product, for example, a software or an info product or a course? So for you to fully understand exactly which one you should put your time, energy, and money into, you first need to understand exactly how each of these three different options work. So let's focus on physical products first. So when it comes to promoting various different physical products, the main website that a lot of affiliate marketers use is Amazon Associates. And what you're going to need to do first and foremost for you to be able to get your affiliate links is obviously sign up. And the actual sign up process is very straightforward. You're going to need to obviously give them your information, for example, your name, your address, your email address, etc. But you're also going to need to insert your website or your YouTube channel or your Instagram, whatever you're going to use to promote all of your different Amazon links. You're going to need to let them know during the actual sign up process. So just to give you an example of what I might type into this section right here, which is one of my blog websites, which is www.successwithbusiness.com. Then what I'll do is click on next. Then you're going to have to go through the rest of the application. I'm not going to go through everything. I just want to point out some important things. You're going to have to let them know exactly how you're going to promote it, how you're going to create the content about the products that you're going to promote. Go through that, click on next, click on finish. From there, you're either going to get accepted or you're not going to get accepted. And in terms of the actual process of promoting physical products, I think it's quite obvious. All you're going to do is refer someone to buy an item that's on Amazon right now. So let's say if I was going to refer someone to buy this new MacBook that I bought because I think it's really good, what I'm going to do is head over to Amazon, see if they've got the exact same MacBook, which they do. And then from there, I'm going to be able to get the affiliate link, promote it, and then I'm going to be able to make a commission every single time someone buys using my Amazon link. So moving on to the second type of affiliate marketing that you can do, which is by promoting various different softwares. And the website that I like to use when it comes to promoting softwares is PartnerStack. Reason being is because they've got over 200 different softwares on their platform at the moment. And it's the best affiliate network, in my opinion, when it comes to finding high quality softwares and high quality companies that offer really good commissions. And the way that PartnerStack works is that you're mainly going to find softwares that are ideal for promoting to various different business owners or people that are looking to start their own business. So you're going to be able to find various different products and services that are going to be able to help someone run their business a little bit more efficient. And as I previously said, the commission rate that you're going to be able to make on a lot of these different softwares is going to be really high. For example, if we look at this company over here that I've never heard of before, you're going to be able to earn up to 30% commission, and you're also going to be able to get an additional $25,000. And finally, the third type of way that you could do affiliate marketing is by promoting various different info products, courses, memberships, and things like that. And some of the websites that you can use to find these type of affiliate offers is websites like ClickBank, Digistore24. And when it comes to signing up to a website like ClickBank, it's very simple to do. They don't really ask for that much information. I believe that it's probably one of the easiest affiliate networks to sign up to because they don't really need that much proof of exactly how you're going to promote whatever product that you're going to promote. They don't ask for any social media, any websites, any YouTube channels. And once you do go through the entire sign up process, from there you're going to be able to pick whatever category that you want to find products in. So let's say, for example, we're going to click into e-business and e-marketing. And just to give you an example of the type of products that they have on ClickBank, for example, there's this one right here where you're going to be able to learn how to get paid using Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, I'm guessing. Or if we scroll down over here, there's this product over here that's called the Click Wealth System, which sounds like some sort of a course. Majority of the different affiliate offers that are here that are ready for you to promote are going to be something along the line of courses or something that's going to teach someone how to do something. So the question now is, which one is the best one for you to put your time and energy into? Which one is going to bring the biggest results? Now, it does depend on so many different factors. It depends on how you're going to promote the affiliate links. It depends on what type of results that you're trying to get. It depends on how much money you're trying to make. But what I've done right here is broken down one main con and one main pro for each different option that we've spoken about in this video. So starting off with physical products, the main con that I've noticed over my experience of promoting physical products is that there's low commission rates. So when it comes to promoting various different physical products on Amazon, the commission rate is only going to be around maybe 3%, 4%, maybe 5% if you're lucky, depending on what product you're going to promote. In saying that though, promoting physical products using Amazon is a great way for you to make a side income because one of the main pros is that it's a lot easier for you to convert someone into a customer. Reason being is because a lot of people out there are familiar with Amazon subscription, so there's no real hesitation when it comes to them bringing out their credit card and buying a product. And most people already know exactly what item they want to buy. What they might do first though is go into a blog website, maybe a YouTube video, for them to maybe read up on a review or see exactly what someone that has bought the product has to say about it before they actually place their order. And just to give you a quick example of what I'm talking about, I've just jumped onto YouTube and I've typed in label printer in the search bar, and right there, as you can see, one of my videos is one of the top ones in the search results that I made about a year ago, and it's got over 39,000 views. And in this video, I was basically reviewing various different label printers that I use for one of my e-commerce businesses. And if we scroll down to the actual description, as you can see right there, I've got the affiliate links for all of the different label printers that I was talking about in the video. So whenever someone clicks into one of the links and buys one of the label printers, and as you can see, this one is around £214, I'm going to be able to make a commission every single time. So this one video has definitely been able to generate me a nice, decent passive source of income ever since the day that I released it. However, when it comes to promoting softwares now, one of the main cons is that it's going to require you to have some sort of knowledge on exactly how the software actually works. So depending on exactly how you want to run your affiliate marketing business, the best way in my opinion when it comes to being able to promote softwares is to demonstrate it to people on exactly how it works, which means that you would need to use it for some sort of time before you start advising other people to use it. Now, of course, you don't need to do this with every single software that you're going to promote, but for you to give yourself the best chance of being able to make a commission, you need to show them exactly how it works so that they fully understand what the benefits are and how it's going to help them out, so they can be convinced to sign up to it. And one of the main pros of promoting a software is that majority will pay a recurring commission. So one of the best things about promoting a software, in my opinion, is that if someone signs up using your link, you're going to be able to, in most cases, make a recurring commission. And that's something that you're not going to be able to get when it comes to promoting a physical product. Most of the time, you're only going to get a one-time commission. However, moving on to info products now, the main con is that it's difficult for you to prove the legitimacy of the info product course membership that you're trying to promote. So one of the most important things that you guys need to make sure that you remember throughout the entire time that you try and do affiliate marketing, which is that you need to make sure that you build trust with the people that's coming across your content, your affiliate links, wherever the case is. And if you now start promoting products that you don't really believe is good, or you haven't really checked it out to make sure that your audience is going to get some sort of value out of it, then that's the quickest way to lose trust with your audience. And that's one of the biggest issues when it comes to promoting info products, is that you're going to have to take time to go through it, make sure that you're going to be able to get results yourself before you start advising other people to use it. So if you do have the time to do that, then it may not be a big deal, because one of the main pros is that most of the time you're going to be able to get really high commission rates. So one thing I've noticed is that when it comes to promoting info products out of the rest of them, it normally has the highest commission rates out there, sometimes up to 50, 60, 70% of the final sale of what the product cost. Because of course the person that created the info product doesn't have that much cost, which means that their profit margin is really high, and that's the reason why they're able to pay really high commissions. So I'm hoping so far this video has given you an insight into exactly how affiliate marketing works, and it's giving you a little bit more knowledge. Now, if you've enjoyed this video so far, press the like button so I know what type of content that you guys want to see, and also put in the comments down below and let me know which option you're going to go with. Are you going to go with physical products, softwares, info products? Put in the comments down below, let me know your thoughts. Let's get a discussion going. And if you want to sign up to a completely free email newsletter where twice a week I'm going to personally send you out an email to help you when it comes to making money online, whether it's an email about affiliate marketing, dropshipping, selling on eBay, whatever the case is, you're going to receive 2 emails from me every single week to help you on your money making journey. So you can sign up for that by clicking the first link in the description down below. Or if you rather watch another YouTube video that I made not too long ago where I broke down step by step what you need to know when it comes to starting an affiliate marketing business from scratch as a complete beginner, I'm going to leave that video right there. Make sure you check that video out straight after this one, because it's already helped out so many people, and I'm sure that it's going to help you out too. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next one. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.